Well, when it comes to recovery during cancer treatment, hydration is often overlooked, yet it's one of the most critical elements of healing. Welcome to Tea Talk, everyone. I'm Danny Kate, if you don't know me already. Water and fluids support every nervous system in the body, from circulation and digestion to detoxification and temperature regulation. When your body is under the stress of treatment, dehydration can exacerbate, to say I shouldn't pick big words, but it can make fatigue worse, nausea, constipation, confusion, and even the side effects of chemotherapy or radiation. So staying hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst. It's about actively supporting your recovery and giving your body the environment it needs to repair itself. Cancer treatments, while they can be life-saving, it puts an extraordinary stress on the body. Chemotherapy can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, all of which contribute to fluid loss. Radiation can create localized swelling or make drinking and swallowing very uncomfortable. Even minor symptoms like mouth sores, dry mouth, or loss of appetite can reduce fluid intake. And without adequate hydration, the body struggles to transport nutrients, flush toxins, and maintain cellular function, all of which slows down recovery. Fluid requirements vary from person to person, but a general guideline is to aim for 2 to 3 liters of water a day, adjusting, of course, for body size, activity level, climate, and treatment effects. Hydration is more than just water. There's herbal teas, broths, and even nutrient-rich smoothies can contribute to fluid balance while providing additional nourishment. Electrolyte solutions can be very helpful, particularly if treatment causes vomiting or diarrhea. It helps to replace lost sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Hydration is most effective when distributed throughout the day rather than consumed in large amounts all at once, which can be very difficult to do. Frequent sips, even if only a few ounces at a time, ensures your body absorbs and utilizes the fluids efficiently. Pairing hydration with meals and snacks supports digestion, while sipping fluids between meals maintains steady circulation and cellular hydration. Both your body may tolerate different fluid temperatures differently, especially when experiencing mouth sores, nausea, or sensitivity from treatment. Now, some patients find room temperature or slightly warm beverages easier to drink, while others prefer cooler fluids. So experiment, determine what feels best, and encourages consistent intake for you. Even mild dehydration can affect recovery, so watch for the common signs like dark urine, dry lips or mouth, dizziness, fatigue, and confusion. And if you notice these symptoms, increase your fluid intake gradually and consider adding in electrolyte-rich fluids. Severe dehydration requires medical attention, and hydrating foods can be surprisingly effective. Add in water-rich fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and celery. They not only provide fluid, but they also deliver vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Soups, broths, and gelatin desserts are gentle, nutrient-rich ways to maintain hydration, especially for those struggling with solid foods. Now, avoid the hidden pitfalls such as sugary beverages, caffeinated drinks, and alcohol. They can contribute to dehydration rather than alleviate it. Juice and soda, yeah, they provide calories, but they also spike blood sugar. It can cause gastrointestinal discomfort, and it fails to deliver essential electrolytes. Focus on clean, low-sugar fluids that nourish as well as hydrate. Hydration also has a profound effect on mental clarity and energy levels. Fatigue, brain fog, and irritability often worsen when fluid intake is inadequate. By staying hydrated, patients support oxygen and nutrient delivery to the brain, helping maintain focus, motivation, and emotional resilience during treatment. Hydration works synergistically with other aspects of recovery. Proper fluid balance enhances digestion and nutrient absorption, making nutrition more effective. And that supports circulation, which aids movement, reduces swelling, and facilitates tissue repair. Even emotional health can improve with adequate hydration because dehydration amplifies stress and anxiety. Sorry, I'm laughing because everything's bouncing in my house right now. There's a humongous packer right on the other side of this wall shaking up everything. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Anyway, moving forward. Tips here for practical hydration. Keep a water bottle nearby at all times. Set small, achievable goals for each hour. And you can flavor your water naturally with things like citrus, berries, or herbs, and that helps to encourage intake. Alternate between sips of water, herbal teas, and broths to maintain variety and comfort. And pair hydration with gentle movement, such as stretching or walking, to stimulate circulation and improve absorption. Track your intake in a journal or even just an app. Um, Sorry, that's just really distracting, to ensure consistency and make adjustments if symptoms arise. Now, hydration is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools that you can use during recovery. Unlike treatments you must endure, drinking fluids is an action you control every hour. It directly impacts every cell in your body, helping tissues repair, nutrients circulate, toxins clear, and energy stabilize. It also reinforces a sense of agency, a critical aspect of feeling empowered during treatment. Now, in the next episode, we're going to explore sleep and recovery and how restorative rest is essential for healing, supporting immunity, reducing fatigue, and maintaining emotional balance. Sleep and hydration, they work hand in hand. Without fluids, sleep quality suffers. And without sleep, hydration and cellular repair becomes less efficient. So remember, consistent, mindful hydration is more than a habit. It's a daily act of healing. Each sip nourishes, replenishes, and empowers you to take an active role in your recovery. By pairing hydration with nutrition, gentle movement, and emotional support, you can create a foundation that allows your body to withstand treatment, repair tissue, and regain strength. So join me tomorrow on my weekly wellness show. It's all about strengthening your bones, fueling your body with smart protein choices, and uncovering easy wins that you can add to your wellness routine right now. Thanks, everyone. I hope you're having a great day, and hopefully come tomorrow, we won't be putting up with the racket on the other side of my wall. Take care, all. Bye for now.